we are. I suspect everything's good, but maybe we don't have a good strobe itself. Fire truck does come through and activate it, it will send 120 volts here. And we don't want that to happen if I'm not prepared. So let's get prepared. Don't need any of that stuff because we've already got it here. So we're going to take that out of here. Matter of fact, it's a different size entirely. Yeah, check that out. You don't need that. Wait until this direction is going to get another green light before we test the preemption, just to minimize disruptions to traffic. This is a coordinated intersection. That was crazy. You know, we've got it right now. Let's get the tester, let's test it out. Bam, we got the indicator light right there. We got our beacon. 1, 2, 3, 4 beacons. So it's all red. It's gonna go green again. Job done. Get the fuck out of here. Too easy.